Whoa, what up? What's up? Today we're going to take a look at the Air Force One Dusty Peach colorway. You hear me? So let's go ahead and open the box. But looking at the paper, you have the white paper with, if you look close, you have a bunch of little stars lined up all throughout the paper. It's a nice little touch. Know what I mean? But now let's get into the kicks. Here it is. The SF Air Force One in Dusty Peach colorway. It's a dope shoe, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm feeling this. You know, this colorway is nice, man. You know, you got the Nike Air on the tongue. Pretty sick. You got all of your straps and bells and whistles around the ankle, around the collar. You know what I'm saying? It's a dope shoe, man. You know, this thing could be swagged out. You fit see that pull tab. You know what I mean? Ain't really too much I can say about these, man. On the inside, you got that black Nike Air. I mean, this shoe to me is just like a straight, like a, let me see, I'm trying to find the words, man, you know, but it's a cop for me anyway. But you can see the little short hair suede, a nubuck on it. Right here you have this, like a, I don't know, I got thrown off track right quick. Excuse me anyway, but yeah, as you can see right there, you got like something like a little mesh material all throughout. You got these round laces. You know, everything is in that Dusty Peach colorway, the whole shoe. Everything. No accents of no other color, nowhere on the shoe. You know what I mean? And hey man, it's a dope shoe. Let me know in the comments, man, if y'all planning on picking them up. If you're feeling them, you're not. You know what I'm saying? Let's kick off some conversation about it, man. I think these release in what, a week or two? You know what I'm saying? So I'm just giving y'all a quick close look up at them. Close look at them. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what they look like. You know, and I think I am going to do it on foot too. You know what I'm saying? So go ahead, stay tuned for that. You know, but here's a better look at it. You know, up close look. You see that suede. You know, like I say, man, it's a dope shoe. Yeah, man, I'm feeling these. You know, but like I said, let me know in the comment section, man, if you're feeling them. And I have the on foot coming up at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. You understand what I'm saying? And yeah, I mean, that's about it. Yeah, well, you know, just looking back over it, man, look, quick recap, like, I feel like it's a dope shoe, it's a dope colorway, you know what I'm saying, and these shouldn't be on the shelves too long, but you never know the way things is nowadays. But yeah, man, look, if you're interested in copping these or anything else, you know, I'm gonna leave a link in the description where you can cop everything official, you know what I'm saying. So I want to thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, follow us on Instagram at PeddlersAv504 and the Sneaker Peddler. I'ma holla back.